So my name is Nomble Lee-Watson. I am a water and wastewater engineer. I currently work for an environmental and engineering consulting firm called AECOM. A lot of times we need to know what's going on outside of the water treatment plant and maybe what could be correlated to what's coming out from the pipes. So a lot of that can take place with the community. So that could be one challenge, is receiving and getting information. And one of the solutions to this is actually kind of old school door knocking. So it takes me out of the office, out from behind my desk, and I get to actually interact with the community by literally knocking on their door and asking about what pipe material they have to determine if it's safe and healthy and if maybe it needs to be replaced with the help and assistance from the government, right? So I was able to speak with the community, be engaged, and also kind of sharpen my skills on explaining more complicated things. It kind of got me out of the office, from behind the computer, out of my design, looking at a computer for 8 hours a day. I was able to get out in the actual field and speak with the community and sort of hear their concerns, as well as like visibly determine if they had proper piping, like pretty much if it wasn't lead and or galvanized, to know like the water that's coming, the drinking water that's coming to their home, to kind of make sure it was safe. And if not, we were able to help them get associated with programs for replacement.
Waterloop, waterloop, waterloop.